Welcome to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast, where we empower Texas families through knowledge and compassion. When should you hire a divorce attorney in Dallas, Texas, and how can the right legal strategy affect your future? Viewing divorce as an emotional breakup leads to short-sighted, reactive decisions based on hurt feelings rather than hard math. In the eyes of the state of Texas, ending a marriage is a highly structured legal and financial restructuring. It is the formal dismantling of a joint enterprise. Every divorcing couple faces a binary trade-off from the start: control versus conflict. This chart shows how agreement impacts the complexity of the process. If you and your spouse agree on custody and assets, your case stays in the lower left low-friction zone. Add complex assets and disagreements, and you move up and to the right, straight into high-conflict litigation. Recognizing which quadrant your marriage falls into is the first step toward protecting your parental rights and your long-term financial survival. Filing for divorce requires meeting specific jurisdictional rules. One spouse must have lived in Texas for at least 6 months, and specifically in Dallas County for the last 90 days. Texas is a no-fault divorce state. The court dissolves the marital contract based on insupportability, focusing on untangling lives rather than assigning moral blame for the breakup. In this environment, a divorce attorney functions as a strategic architect for your near-lethal reality. We evaluate your family's specific assets and parenting needs to translate the Texas Family Code into clear, enforceable boundaries for your property and your children. While retaining an attorney requires an upfront financial investment, it is the only reliable way to prevent catastrophic legal vulnerabilities from surfacing after the decree is signed. The uncontested route is the most direct path. It requires absolute agreement between you and your spouse on every key issue, from the house to child support, before any papers are finalized. This infographic outlines the Texas process. Everything begins when you file the original petition for divorce, which triggers a mandatory 60-day waiting period. Once the clock runs out, you complete a brief final court prove-up to secure the judge's signature. Because the timeline is predictable, an uncontested divorce typically costs between $1,500 and $5,000 and finishes in a few months. When you set aside ego to compromise up front, it keeps thousands of dollars in your pocket instead of spending it on avoidable court fees. When spouses cannot agree on property division, primary custody, or spousal maintenance, the case becomes contested. Texas is a community property state. Any property acquired or debt accrued during a marriage is presumed owned by both spouses, and the court will divide it in a manner it deems just and right. A just and right standard does not guarantee an automatic 50-50 split. Protecting specific assets requires strategic negotiation to prevent a disproportionate loss. This chart compares the financial toll. While an uncontested case remains relatively low, a high-conflict divorce involving children or complex assets easily surges well past $15,000 to $30,000 and can take over a year to resolve. Most contested cases never reach a trial. They typically settle through mediation, where a neutral third party helps both sides reach a binding agreement. If you're searching for a divorce attorney in Dallas, Texas because your future is at stake, visit brianfagan.com or schedule a confidential consultation with our team. Aggressive litigation can secure vital rights, but every month spent fighting drains the very community estate you are working to divide. Determining which path fits your marriage requires a realistic assessment of your current relationship. Compare the paths. Uncontested divorces offer shorter timelines, lower costs, and minimal court involvement. Contested cases demand significant time, escalating expenses, and multiple hearings. Your willingness to negotiate directly dictates the length of your timeline, the size of your legal bill, and your emotional exhaustion. Some people choose to file pro se, or do it yourself, to avoid attorney fees entirely. If you share minor children, own real estate, or have retirement accounts, the risk is high. A single drafting error can result in an invalid decree or the permanent loss of assets that cannot be recovered later. For those experiencing true financial hardship, this graphic outlines the eligibility for a Texas divorce court fee waiver. Proving your household size and income status allows the court to waive filing fees, so no one is denied justice due to poverty. Saving a few $1,000s on an attorney often results in tens of thousands of dollars in lost assets or expensive post-decree modification fees down the road. Hiring the cheapest attorney is often a mistake. Deep daily experience navigating the specific courts in Dallas County determines how efficiently your case moves through the system. This checklist outlines what to look for during a consultation. You need an attorney with local court experience, clear communication, and a focus on long-term strategy rather than blind aggression. At the law office of Brian Fagan, our team provides that level of local expertise. We navigate the Dallas courts to protect both your pocketbook and your peace of mind. Subscribe to our channel, share this video, visit our website, and call 281-810-9760 to start protecting your future. Thank you for listening to the Law Office of Brian Fagan podcast, where families find freedom and peace of mind through education and expert legal care. For more information or to schedule your free consultation, visit our website or call 281-810-9760 today.